Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that is crucial to the health and happiness of any relationship: trust. When trust is broken in a relationship, it can be incredibly painful and difficult to repair. But it is possible to restore trust, and that's what we'll be exploring today. We'll be covering the importance of trust in relationships, common causes of trust issues, and practical steps you can take to rebuild and maintain trust in your own relationships. Let's get started. Part 1. What is trust and why is it important in relationships? Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship. It's the belief that your partner is reliable, honest, and dependable. Without trust, it's impossible to feel secure and connected to your partner. Trust allows us to be vulnerable with one another and to feel safe in the relationship. When trust is broken, it can lead to feelings of insecurity, resentment, and distance. That's why it's so important to work on rebuilding trust when it's been damaged. Part 2. Common causes of trust issues in relationships. There are many reasons why trust may be broken in a relationship. Some common causes include: 1. Infidelity. When a partner is unfaithful, it can be one of the most devastating breaches of trust. It's important to remember that infidelity doesn't always have to be physical. Emotional infidelity, where a partner forms a deep emotional connection with someone outside the relationship, can be just as damaging. 2. Lack of communication. Poor communication is one of the most common causes of trust issues in relationships. When partners don't communicate openly and honestly with each other, it can lead to misunderstandings and feelings of distance. 3. Dishonesty or deceit. Lying or hiding important information from your partner can erode trust over time. It's important to be transparent and upfront with your partner, even if you're afraid of their reaction. 4. Lack of emotional support. Partners who don't provide emotional support or understanding can create a feeling of isolation and disconnection. It's important to be there for your partner during the good times and the tough times. 5. Lack of effort or follow-through on promises. When one partner consistently fails to follow through on their commitments, it can be difficult for the other partner to trust them. It's important to be reliable and follow through on your promises. Part 3. Steps for rebuilding trust in a relationship. If trust has been broken in your relationship, it's important to take steps to rebuild it. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Acknowledge the hurt and pain caused by the breach of trust. It's important to validate your partner's feelings and show them that you understand the pain you've caused. 2. Take responsibility for your actions and apologize sincerely. It's important to take full responsibility for your actions and to apologize sincerely. A genuine apology can go a long way in rebuilding trust. 3. Communicate openly and honestly with your partner. Open and honest communication is key to rebuilding trust. Make an effort to be transparent and to listen to your partner's concerns and feelings. 4. Take steps to rebuild the relationship and regain your partner's trust. This might involve being more transparent, following through on commitments, or making an effort to be more reliable. 5. Practice forgiveness, both for yourself and your partner. Forgiveness is an important step in rebuilding trust. It's important to forgive yourself for any mistakes you've made and to extend forgiveness to your partner as well. Part 4. Tips for maintaining trust in a relationship. Maintaining trust in a relationship requires effort and commitment from both partners. Here are some tips for maintaining trust in your relationship. 1. Practice open and honest communication. Make a habit of communicating openly and honestly with your partner. This means being transparent about your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and listening to your partner's perspective. 2. Make an effort to understand your partner. Make an effort to understand your partner's perspective, even if you don't agree with them. This helps to prevent misunderstandings and builds trust over time. 3. Show your partner love, respect, and appreciation. It's important to show your partner love, respect, and appreciation on a regular basis. This helps to create a feeling of connection and strengthens the bond of trust between you. 4. Seek support and guidance. If you're having trouble maintaining trust in your relationship, consider seeking support and guidance from a therapist or trusted friend or family member. They can provide valuable insights and help you work through any challenges you may be facing. In conclusion, trust is a crucial element of any healthy relationship. When trust is broken, it can be painful and difficult to repair. But with effort and determination, it is possible to rebuild and maintain trust in your relationship. By acknowledging the hurt and pain caused by a breach of trust, taking responsibility for your actions, and practicing forgiveness, you can begin the process of rebuilding trust. And by continuing to communicate openly and honestly, showing your partner love, respect, and appreciation, and seeking support and guidance when needed, you can maintain trust in your relationship for the long term. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you're able to use them to strengthen the trust in your own relationships. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.